Ow. Starting. What's up, guys? It's your boy Cardan Vibes and your girl
Dana.
Yeah, man. So we there again with one. Next challenge, you see me? Who can eat the hottest patty the fastest? So we put the patty in the microwave. We already hot when we buy. Put it in the microwave, put it on exactly 10 minutes. So right now it's scorching hot, guys. Hot. Alright, so we have to who can win. Mark.
And we have to eat everything.
And your mark. Get your set.
Let me just take. Let me take 2 bites and then you come
Mark,
in.
set.
Let me take 2 bites and then
Go. Ooh. Gang bongok mo kong no.
So the patty that we're eating is beef patty with cheese. As you guys can remember from the last video, he ate the beef patty and I ate the chicken with cheese, and of course mine won. So this time we put a little cheese and the beef, but man, it hot.
We not get one there. They are paying me. We not get one.
Oh, I was telling them that you didn't won the last time.
Well, I got one with her.
It's hot.
I got one with her. I got win with her. Bumpa.
I'm cool.
Yeah, this is a challenge that's too dangerous. Yeah, it burn me hot.
Look at it.
But yeah, me mole.
You want Give me.
I'm not gonna cool it down. As me bite piece, my soup is done. It's too hot for your mouth. Yes.
Come here.
Look how. I'm cool down.
I'm
cool.
No, this is you're
Yeah, but
unfair.
talk about me. Yeah, this is too dangerous. Perfect. This is one and I'm going to who can eat the coolest patty. I do who can eat the coolest patty. I put it on make it cool. I put it on make it cool and who can eat the coolest patty.
Cold patty will taste good.
Then this gonna kill me. Red. Look at my mouth. It red though.
But why you take them big bite there?
Me no want to win. I want to challenge, you know. I would done, you know. You have to pay me something, you know. No. Who win get a deer. And if me say deer me, you have to go do that, you know. If me say deer, you have to give me $1 million, you have to go find the $1 million. Yes.
Okay.
Graham, no drinking. Graham, if me can't drink, you don't have to drink. Give me drink. Graham, you have.
You drink about 3 times, or 1 time and you drink before you drink about 10 times.
How much bite me get? Each bite me get me have to drink. Then you gonna kill me. Come here.
No.
Yeah, you have to look risky. Me not. Make your own. Yes.
Is that Regina?
No, come on.
Nothing? Oh.
Why? Now this is a mega part I can eat. You see, you have to eat killer. You have to eat runny. That's a trick, guys. So if you want to eat hot patty, eat runny. Miggle, you ain't dead. Tell me, tell her.
No.
I'm not eat cow. I'm mad. It's runny. It's crust always cool. But it's miggle. Right, come here. Eat me, gonna make you fresh, bro.
I make you win. You
At the end
man.
of me yesterday, and after weeks, me have my taste bud them done. Me don't want to damage my taste bud them. You want to win? I'm going to make you win.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but you always a win, man. Let me sit here, Dan. Dan, or you can get. Dan, you bite it too big. You win. Dan, a rubber. No, come on, go. Dan, come on, come on.
No!
Please, Dan.
No! You take about 3 something. How much me get? Me get
Yeah.
one more something
Yes, so
for you.
I take you one more sup on you. Hot. Blow up on this too. Blow up on it.
Well, I'm not take your time and blow it, man.
Blow up on it.
Me, if you waste my breath. You take your time and blow. Blow about 5 times first.
Not sure that's me a real lion. Look on my muscle. My muscle look like me I got gym. Look, look. Let me make it jump. Look at jump. Jump.
Yeah, show one.
Look at the muscle jump. Look here. Look, look.
Mhm.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
Okay. That is so
You know, our ears me tough to get that.
Ah!
I talk too much.
I never did that right while ago.
Cool it, cool down. Cool it.
Don't sing, remember. Don't sing.
Yeah?
Don't sing.
You know, see, you can't sing like me.
You know.
I made one singing challenge.
Talk to me, talk me. How about that just rest? You know when you rest, it better.
Game I get serious now. Haha, me I win.
Nobody win.
You win the last turn. Yeah, better, juice. Better
You're unfair.
No.
You're unfair.
When you have your long, yeah. Woo. Yeah, man, I talk too much.
Give me.
Alright, the final bite. Angry wing. Look at my prize. I dare you to give me. I dare you to give me this juice.
No.
How I feel to lose? Tell everybody how you feel to lose. Cause me never lose yet. Me don't know how I feel. So tell me first hand how it feel to be the person who come last.
Look, let me talk to them. Number one, I did not lose.
Oh, you win.
No, listen.
Acha!
I did not lose.
So you have to make that the party.
But
But what?
you were unfair.
Oh, me feel unfair.
Number one, guys, look at it. He start before me.
No. Alright. Yeah.
Number two, no. Number one, he start before me, which is unfair. Number two, No matter what.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2. Skip to number 2.
Why number
We
2?
not play 2. No.
Number 2. In take a juice and then him a drink it and a eat. Drink it and a eat. So him a cool it down.
Cool, eh? That's smart. Look. Let me
Right?
tell you. You see, in life,
So that you're
let me
unfair.
look here, you have still have half a party, correct? Let me tell you. You see, in life, and who plays. How you go? Oh,
No,
yes.
but you have
Remember,
to be
let me tell you.
No.
Let me make it point.
Let me tell you. What your mother always tell you.
Let
What
me-
your mother always
Alright, let me tell you what my mother always tell me.
Shortcut job blood.
Let me tell you. You see, alright, let me tell you what the wise people them tell me. You see, in life, and who work the hardest, and who work the smartest. So I was being smart. You were.
In exam, if you cheat, that is not working
Well,
the smartest.
well, if-
that is being unfair.
Yeah, but if
you
that-
were being unfair. That
If-
wasn't smart.
Alright.
That was being unfair.
Unfair. Alright, yes. But if you cheat, I know, but no.
Anyways,
If
guys,
you cheat, I know, but
you know
no,
what
you
I'm saying?
still get
No,
passing grade.
you see when you not cheat and you do it the honest.
Suppose you not
way.
cheat and you fail.
You see when you cheat, you feel that guilt.
What?
You feel guilty now.
What? Look
Guilt
for me.
and
Look for me.
burning.
Tell me where guilt there.
Yeah,
where guilt
because
there?
you're
Where the
trying
guilt
hide
there?
it.
Where the
You're
guilt there? Where the guilt there? Where the guilt there? Where the guilt there? Where the guilt there?
Alright, calm down.
Come look
calm
thick in
down.
my shirt. Look.
Okay.
Come look thick in my shirt.
Okay.
So come look thick in my shirt.
Okay.
Winnings do that.
Yes.
Winnings.
Mhm.
Winning. So winning. So win. Whoa. Come.
And first you're winning now, so where you going?
First me I win one.
You not ever win. Why me I say win? Anyways, guys, comment below.
Who you think? Finish now? Yeah.
Who you think win this challenge? And remember to keep in mind that 1 is started before me, and 2 in drinky drinks while me might eat a patty.
That's
Two
being
strike.
smart. If
Two
it's something
strike.
hot, alright. If it's something hot, one
Oh.
thing, burn up the wall of me inside.
2
Burn up
strike.
the wall of me inside. Make
Two
alright. So you
strike.
want the food?
So,
You want the
guys,
food?
take that in
You want the food?
consideration
You want the food? Burn up
when
me
you're
throat.
determining who. Make me slap you. now.
Look. You want the patty? Burn up me throat. Burn up the wall of me tripe and burn up me heart. And burn up my liver and my kidney. And burn up everything and just burn me up, so. Let me cool it done. That's spice.
Don't sing, please.
What's spicy?
But don't sing.
Alright, remember.
Just don't
Alright,
sing.
what's spicy? Alright, remember say. Cool hit.
Hit.
Down.
Hit.
Cool high tea. Down. Alright, guys. Yeah, man. Until next time, I'm the winner. She is the lose
I'm the winner.
with the hee-har.
I'm the
Lose
winner.
with the hee-har. Lose with the hee-har. Lose with the hee-har. Yeah, I'm the winner. She's the lose with the hee-har. Until next time, I'm Cardan Vibes. This is your
And
girl.
I'm Dana.
Take it dirty and eat out of my face. Alright, yeah, man. With this.
Bye.